Good morning everybody and welcome back to the channel. My name is Alyssa if you're new around here, and today I am hosting my first ever adult party? I don't know. I just thought I would bring you guys along with me. We're doing a vision board party, so I still have to do a lot to get ready. One of the things I have to do is I still have to go print my pictures for my vision board. I bought a whole bunch of stuff to make a nice charcuterie board. I'm excited for that, and I'm really excited for how the vision boards are going to turn out because I think I picked out some good pictures. So let's get going. Okay, so first things first, this is where I'm hosting the party tonight. Really cute. So for the charcuterie board, I had this really cute cutting board that I got for Christmas. And then you're also going to need all sorts of your favorite crackers. I chose Ritz, these Club Buttery crackers, and these Triscuits. And you're going to need some sliced meats, slices of cheese, and then some fruits to kind of go with everything. And then you're just going to layer on all of the cheese. Next, you're going to take your crackers and arrange them sort of in a similar way. You can stagger them, you can line them up, really kind of have fun staging them. It really is just like painting a picture, but more abstract, and you kind of just have to roll with it. So as far as the fruits go, I decided to put down a bunch of grapes first because I wanted to have them weight down the slices of meat that I had, because I wanted to make a flower out of them, but when I kept folding it up, it kept kind of unraveled. Originally, I placed the club crackers in a semicircle shape, but it ended up not working out very well, so I decided to redo it. Don't be afraid to kind of mess around with your charcuterie board. If something doesn't work, don't be afraid to move it around and see what does and doesn't work. It really is just a ton of fun figuring out what exactly it is you want it to look like. I folded up meat in several different ribbon styles and placed it around the board using grapes to kind of weight it down and balance it, just making sure that nothing really comes off the board. And for the cherry on top, or I guess raspberry on top, I went ahead and placed all of these raspberries all over the board, just filling in kind of the blank spaces and gaps that I had left. Now, raspberries are my absolute favorite fruit of all time, so I was very generous with how many raspberries I put on the charcuterie board. And that is it for the charcuterie board. I think it turned out really good for a first attempt at a charcuterie board. I loved making my little meat slice flowers. I thought it was so pretty and I would totally do it again. I would highly recommend that you try making your own charcuterie board. It was so much fun. Let's take it slow. So after I was done with the charcuterie board, I got these really cute cups from the dollar store. So I placed those by the charcuterie board along with a bottle of sparkling cider. And then I went ahead and started setting up everything that I would need for the vision board party. So I have this big flat canvas, so I put that down and I printed all of these photos at the FedEx store. I think the photos turned out really cute. Next, I put some paint palettes down with some paint brushes and some Mod Podge. This is how I was going to glue all of my photos to the poster board, and I had plenty for all of my friends. And that is pretty much it. That is everything that you need to host a vision board party. But yeah, that's it for this video, so thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and you can follow me on Instagram at CraftyNovelGeek. Remember that self-love is half learned and half earned, so make sure to learn to love yourself from the tip of your nose to the tip of your toes. I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Testing, testing, my voice is beautiful. I'm gonna start the video.